Do you ever feel like 24 hours are just not enough? You wake up, check your phone, scroll through Instagram, reply to a few messages, and suddenly, it's afternoon. You had a list of things to do, but now it's too late. Don't worry, you're not lazy. You just need to manage your time better. And trust me, I've been there too. Let me take you back to a time when I was drowning in tasks, missing deadlines, and constantly feeling guilty. This is a story of how I slowly learned to manage my time and change my life, one small step at a time. A year ago, my routine was a complete mess. I used to wake up late, skip breakfast, and jump straight into whatever felt urgent. I thought I was busy, but honestly, I was just reacting to things all day. I had no plan. I'd start one task, get distracted, open YouTube, then somehow end up cleaning my room. At the end of the day, I was tired, but nothing was actually done. One day, I missed an important college submission. My professor said, "You're capable, but you lack discipline." That hit me hard. That night, I decided something had to change. I started watching videos, reading blogs, listening to podcasts about time management. And I noticed one thing. Everyone talks about big techniques, but the truth is, small changes make the biggest difference. So I started small. Step one, I wrote down what I did every hour. It was shocking. I spent over 4 hours just scrolling or overthinking. Step two, I started using the 3-task rule. Every morning, I'd write down just 3 important tasks I wanted to finish that day. Not 10, not 20, just 3, and I made a rule. No phone until task 1 is done. It was hard at first, but slowly, I felt more in control. As days passed, I discovered more techniques that worked for me. 1. Time blocking. I began blocking time for study, exercise, meals, and even relaxing. Like 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., deep work, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., lunch and YouTube. It made a big difference because I didn't feel guilty while taking breaks anymore. Second, Pomodoro method. 25 minutes focused work, 5 minutes break. I used a timer on my phone. This helped me fight distractions. 3. No 0 days mindset. Even if I had a lazy day, I made sure to do something small. Read 1 page, do 5 push-ups, anything, just to keep the chain going. In a month, I wasn't perfect, but I was 10 times better than before. I submitted projects on time. I had time to relax, time to hang out with friends, and even time to sleep peacefully without anxiety. People noticed. A friend asked me, "How are you managing everything so calmly?" I smiled and said, "I stopped trying to do everything and started doing what actually matters." So here's what I want you to remember. Time management isn't about doing more things. It's about doing the right things at the right time. Start with one small change today. Write down your top 3 tasks for tomorrow. Try blocking just 2 hours for deep work. Use a timer. Avoid your phone in the morning. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Progress takes time. But if I could do it, you definitely can too. This is not just about time. It's about your future. So are you ready to take control of your day?